Very first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. After you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on here, proceed to your profile. Then from your profile, it's going to take you right there. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here, the product on transit, click on that. Then it's going to take you right there. In some cases, if the product is no longer be found right here, there is no need to be panic about it. What you need to do is simply swipe this way. Swipe. Then next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this one right here. See, it's going to take you right there. So definitely you must see the product right here. So what you need to do is to continue to scroll down until you get to the particular product that was rejected by your shipping warehouse address back to the supplier in China. So continue to scroll until you get to that particular product. So I have a product right there that I want to use as an example. So this product here, I'm going to use as an example. This product was returned and rejected by the warehouse and back to the supplier. And for me to get the refund, that is the process I'm showing you right here. What you need to do is to click on here. And this is going to pump up. Go ahead and click on here. So this particular product right here is exactly the one I'm going to use as an example. So first thing first, we need to make sure we click on the product link. Then we go ahead and click on here. Proceed. So here we go. You can see that here, there is no sign that the product was delivered. So this is exactly what you get if a product was rejected by the warehouse in China. So what we need right here is to make a screenshot of this part. I'm going to go ahead and screenshot this part as my proof. Having made a screenshot, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to go back. Go back. Now onto the refund. For us to apply for the refund, we need to click on here, get started. So click on here, and this is going to pump up. Then we click on here to proceed with the refund. It's going to take us right here. Now, this particular product here, remember, the product was already shipped, but rejected by the warehouse address in China. What we need to do here is to forgo the logistics fee for the supplier, then we claim the actual price for the product. So for that, I'm going to select on this. Then having select on that, make sure you click on here to select all the products. As many as possible, you may place order from that particular store. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to check out. And you'll be taken right there. So here, you have to fill up this and fill up this. Then upload your proof right here. So here, we have to click on here to select the refund status. So we have to make sure we select here that we did not receive the goods. Once you select, click on here. Then go ahead and click on here again. Then go ahead and click on here. Then go ahead and select on these particular options that the goods was rejected. Go ahead and click on here. Go ahead and click on here to upload your proof. So remember, the first screenshot we take, select on that and upload. Here we have it. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on submit. Here you have it. So it's going to take good 24 hours for a seller to respond to this particular refund request. But if the seller fails to respond to this particular refund request, the system will automatically refund back your money within 24 hours, and the money will be back to your Alipay account without any stress. It's that simple.